Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to DIY with Saniya, and today we are going to make this turban style crochet headband. This crochet cotton candy headband, we need these three colors and a hairband, simple hairband. And this is one panel I have crocheted already. We need to crochet one more panel like this, and so I'm starting with this yarn. And first of all, we need to make magic circle like this. If you don't know how to make a magic circle, I have already uploaded a complete workshop for absolute beginners on my channel, and by watching that workshop you will be able to learn how to make a magic circle, crochet basic chain and some basic stitches. So let's get started with this tutorial. Now we need 36 chains, and that's how we make crochet basic chain. Okay, so now we have 36 chains, and now we will make double crochet by yarn over the crochet hook, skip 3 chains, and in the 4th chain insert crochet hook, then pull the thread. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over from 2 loops and yarn over from 2 loops, and we have just made double crochet. Same process again, double crochet in the next chain, and that's how we will complete this row by making double crochet in each chain. Okay, so now we have this double crochet row, and we will make granny strips on it, these ones. Okay, to make a granny strip, turn your row, chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over on crochet hook, then skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and insert hook in the 3rd one, and here we will make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. See, again skip 2 stitches and 3 double crochets in the 3rd one, 1, 2, 3. That's how we will make a row of granny strip. Okay, so now we have the row of granny strip. Again, turn the crochet work, chain 2, 1, 2, and see, now we have these spaces between every 3 stitches. See these spaces. Okay, these are our working spaces. After making chain 2, yarn over and insert the hook in this space, and now we will be making 3 double crochets here, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. See, that's how we will make this row till the end. Okay, so now we have 2 rows of granny strips here. Okay, as you can see here, I have used 3 colors, this one and the pink one, it's powder pink, and very light of blue. And after these rows, the next step is I will attach pink yarn, and I will make 3 rows of granny strips. Okay, here I have attached the pink yarn, chain 2, 1, 2. Now yarn over, insert the hook in the space, and 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Again 3 double crochets in the space, next space. 1, 2, 3 here. See? And that's how we will make 3 more rows of granny strips. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here I have 3 rows of granny strip with the pink yarn. Now I will attach the blue yarn and I will make 2 more rows of granny strip. Okay, so here I have completed 2 rows of granny strip with the blue one. Now turn the crochet work, chain 2, 1, 2 and double crochet in the next stitch. Again double crochet in the next one, and same we will be making double crochet till here, like this. As you can see in this panel, I have this row, last row of double crochets here. That's what we are going to make here. Okay, so here I have completed this last row of double crochets and we have same 2 panels here. See, let's move toward next step. Okay, in the next part I'm placing these 2 panels here like this. Okay, like the same color facing each other. Now I'm going to place this panel on this panel till the half of, like the second of pink row here, like this. Now for the other half, like this, and this half on it like this. It will look like this. See? Okay, I'm going to pin this with the pin here. Okay, I'm going to stitch it with the big eye needle. Part we have to stitch these hairband here and then here, and I will show you how to stitch it, then the headband will be completed. But see how beautiful this one is. Okay, so now we will be stitching this band here, but see, I had leftover yarn here and I'm using this one to attach the hairband. First of all, I will be stitching it like this. It looks like a scrunch now. Now I will be adding the hairband. You have to stitch it like, just to make sure that it will be really attached, like strongly attached, so it won't just. I'm just making sure that I will stitch it enough so it won't just, come out when. Okay, so here I have attached the hairband on the both side and it looks like this now. This is very strong and it's very stretchy, see. it will fit all the sizes very easily. Here we have completed our cotton candy crochet headband, and I hope you guys like this tutorial, and this tutorial will be helpful for you guys. You will be able to make a very nice crochet headband like this on your own after watching this tutorial. And just share your feedback in the comment section. You have any other request for the tutorial, let me know. I will be making more tutorials on demand.